हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पीआर नॉलेज सेंटर। तो हम कर रहे थे इन्वायरमेंट में पीटी 365 का है विजन का। तो बायोडाइवर्सिटी हमने कर लिया और क्लाइमेट चेंज भी कर लिया। आज हम पोल्यूटन करेंगे, पोल्यूशन। तो ये सब टॉपिक वाइज पूरा का पूरा अप्रैल से लेके अक्टूबर तक का करंट अफेयर है। तो हिंदी में भी नहीं आया तो इंग्लिश का कर लेते हैं, हिंदी आते हैं हम इंग्लिश का भी कर लेंगे जैसे टाइम होगा। तो चलिए इसको कंप्लीट करते हैं। बाकी अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो पॉलिटी का हिंदी में कंप्लीट करवाया गया है, वो भी देख लीजिएगा। और हमारे चैनल पे यूपीएससी के टेस्ट भी कंटिन्यू कराए जा रहे हैं डेली का डेली, तो वो भी देखिएगा। तो चैनल को एक बार प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं तीसरा चैप्टर। ठीक है, तो ये पोल्यूशन। तो एयर पोल्यूशन है, एयर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट एक्सचेंज प्लान प्लेटफॉर्म। तो क्या है ये? क्लाइमेट एंड क्लियर एयर कोएलिशन लॉन्च्ड एन एयर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट एक्सचेंज प्लेटफॉर्म, the backdrop of International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies. More on news. Led by UN Environment Program, this year theme focused on invest in clean air now. CCAC was founded in 2012 and convened within UNEP. CCAC is voluntary partnership of more than 160 governments and intergovernmental organizations and NGOs. India joined CCAC in 2019. It worked to reduce powerful but short-lived climate pollutants, methane, black carbon, hydrofluorocarbon, and tropospheric ozone that drive both climate change and air pollution. About air quality management exchange platform, it is one-stop shop that provides the latest air quality management guideline and tool proposed to meet WHO air quality guideline interim target. It is component of CCAC Clean Air Flagship and contribute to implementation of UNEA 6 resolution. The United Nations Environment Assembly 6 session resolution 10 was focused on the promoting regional cooperation air pollution in improve air quality globally. About WHO air quality guideline क्या है? There are set evidence based recommendation limit value of specific air pollutant. PM और O3 का NO2, SO2 and CO सब pollutant है. Per insistent 24 hours mean of the PM25 should not exceed 15 microgram meter cube. Annual mean of the PM2.5 should not exceed 5 microgram meter cube. Related news: Global Nitrous Oxide Assessment Report. It published by CCAC FAO. It is the first international report focused solely on N2O in more than a decade. Key finding है: anthropogenic emissions of N2O have increased globally by 40% since 1980, with 25 originating from agriculture. About nitrous oxide, odorless, colorless, non-flammable gas that support combustion and occurs naturally in the environment, used in the anesthesia and other therapeutic benefit, cause euphoria, hence nicknamed laughing gas. Has a global warming 273 times than the CO2 and 100-year timescale. And next है flue gas desulfurization. Why News Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change made it mandatory for all coal-based TPP to install FGD system. About FGD technology, FGD system can remove over 90% of SO2 from blue gas emissions of local coal-fired thermal power plant. Majorly three type of FGD system: dry solvent, limestone injection, wet limestone based on seawater based, are adopted worldwide. About SO2, it is colorless, reactive, and pollutant with a strong odor. High concentration of SO2 in air generally lead the formation of other sulfur dioxide. Next है water pollution and conservation. Water conservation क्या है? Water conservation in India, status of water use in India, groundwater use in India. As per Dynamic Groundwater Resource Assessment Report 2024 released by Ministry of Jal Shakti and State Duties. recharge है total annual groundwater recharge has decreased marginally in 2024. 3.05% assessment unit are critical. 11.1 assessment unit are overexploited, and concentration of overexploited unit northern west Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, western UP, west Rajasthan, Gujarat, south Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Water accessibility and use 18% of water population, but only 4% of its water resources. Distribution of fresh water ice cap, सबसे ज़्यादा आइस कैप में, फिर ग्राउंड वाटर में, फिर फ्रेश वाटर लेक, फिर रिवर. अर्बन में है 31% ऑफ हाउसहोल्ड लैक एक्सेस पाइप वाटर, 67 नॉट कनेक्टेड विद पाइप्ड सीवेज डिस्चार्ज सिस्टम. इरिगेशन है लार्जेस्ट यूजेस ऑफ इंडियाज वाटर रिजर्व with uses of 78% of total reserve. ट्रेडिशनल वाटर स्टोरेज सिस्टम इन इंडिया, जल मंदिर गुजरात का है, खत्री खुरकुही हिमाचल प्रदेश का है, जयपुर नागालैंड का है, इरी और ओरानिस तमिलनाडु का है, डोंग्स ये है असम का, कतास बंदास उड़ीसा एंड मध्य प्रदेश का है, पार जहाद राजस्थान का है, पाट है मध्य प्रदेश का. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव है जल जीवन मिशन है. कंपोनेंट ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर कृषि सिंचाई योजना है, हर खेत का पानी पर ड्रॉप मोर क्रॉप ये सब है. अटल भूजल योजना है, कैच द रैन जल शक्ति अभियान है. नेशनल फ्रेमवर्क फॉर सेफ रीयूज ट्रीटेड वाटर 2022 का है. पावर ट्राइब पॉलिसी 2016 का है. नेशनल वाटर पॉलिसी है 2012 का. नेक्स्ट है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव है नीरू चीतू आंध्र प्रदेश का है, जो रिजुवेनेशन एंड रिविटलाइजिंग नेचुरल रिसोर्स का है. जल जीवन हरियाली है बिहार का. जल ही जीवन है हरियाणा का है. मिशन काकतिया तेलंगाना का है. जल ही अमृत क्या है. वाई न्यूज जल ही अमृत इनिशिएटिव हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड अंडर द अमृत 2.0 अटल मिशन ऑफ रिजर्वेशन ऑफ द अर्बन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन 2.0 रिफॉर्म ड्यूरिंग 100 days agenda of the government about Jal Hi Amrit. Background है building the success Amrut 1.0 the second phase aim to create the water sector cities. इसके अंतर्गत इसका aim क्या है? To incentives to status UTs efficient management of sewage treatment plant, also termed used water treatment plant, to produce the continuous supporting of high quality treated water, to promote a circular economy of water. Purpose है to foster intercity competition, build treatment facility capacity, and incentive high quality treated water discharge through systematic improvement. अमृत 1 का और अमृत 2.0 क्या है? लॉन्च ये अमृत 1 2015 में हुआ था, ये 2021 में ड्यूरिंग मिशन पीरियड ऑफ 2015 to 20 और यह मिशन 21 to 26 तक है, 5 ईयर. और 500 सिटीज के लिए है, ये स्टैट्यूटरी टाउन इन द कंट्री के लिए है. फोकस एरिया है वाटर सप्लाई, सीवरेज एंड सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट, स्टॉर्म वाटर ड्रेनेज एंड ग्रीन स्पेस एंड पार्क नॉन मोटोराइज्ड अर्बन ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए. और यही यूनिवर्सल कवरेज ऑफ वाटर सप्लाई थ्रू फंक्शनल स्टेप टाइप्स ऑफ हाउस होल्ड एट द स्टैट्यूटरी टाउन एट द कंट्री. कवरेज ऑफ द सीवेज सेप्टेज management 500 cities. About water recycling reuse. Water reuse, also commonly known as the water recycling, reclaim water from a variety of resource, then treat reuse a beneficial purpose. Source of water for potential reuse, municipal wastewater, industrial process and cooling water, storm water, agriculture runoff, return flow, etc. नेक्स्ट है वाटर यूज टेक्नोलॉजी. मेम्ब्रेन बायोरिएक्टर है, अल्ट्राफिल्ट्रेशन है, रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस है, डिसइंफेक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी, ओजोन एडवांस ऑक्सीडेशन है, इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस है, और थर्मल एवेपोरेशन के थ्रू से मतलब रीयूज वाटर करते हैं. जल संचय जल भागीदारी, ये क्यों न्यूज है? क्योंकि ये लॉन्च हुआ पूरे गुजरात में. इसके बारे में तो इनिशिएटिव सीक टू कंजर्व वाटर फ्रॉम स्ट्रॉन्ग एम्फसाइजिस ऑन कम्युनिटी पार्टनरशिप एंड ओनरशिप. It aimed to construct around 24,800 rainwater harvesting structures through community participation. It is based on success of the Jal Sanchay Initiative of Gujarat government that deal with the mobilization of citizens, local bodies and industries and other stakeholders. Ministry of Jal Shakti है. Distinctive फीचर ऑफ जल संचयी जन भागीदारी emphasizes on India's traditional consciousness treat water as the form of God and river as the goddess. Adopt a whole society and whole government approach. Treat water conservation not just as a policy matter but also as social commitment. Aligned with the ongoing Jal Shakti Abhiyan, catch the rain of the collaborative water management. अदर रिलेटेड न्यूज़ क्या है? यूनाइटेड नेशन वाटर कन्वेंशन, इवरी कोस्ट ज्वाइंड द यूनाइटेड नेशन वाटर कन्वेंशन। और यूनाइटेड नेशन वाटर कन्वेंशन क्या है? जेनेसिस अडॉप्टिव इन हेल्सिंकी इन 1992, entered into force in 1996, legally binding है, require parties to use transboundary water reasonably and equitably and ensure their sustainable management. Members of India is not a party. UN Water Course Convention ये जो है it was adopted in 1997. India's partner treaty aligned with it 1960. E-flows monitoring. Union Jal Shakti Ministry launches as E-flow ecological monitoring system. About E-flow monitoring system, E-flow refer to follow the required to meet the ecological function of the flora and fauna in water body developed by the United Nations for Clean Ganga, Namami Ganga. The Namami Ganga program involved cleaning the Ganga and now concluded the tributaries. It will allow real-time analysis on the water quality of the Ganga, Yamuna and their tributary. It will also allow monitoring of the Namami Ganga program activities on the central level. नेशनल वाटर अवार्ड है, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द इंडियन प्रेजेंटेड फिफ्थ NWA इन न्यू दिल्ली। अबाउट नेशनल वाटर अवार्ड है, नेडल मिनिस्ट्री है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ जल शक्ति। एम है टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस एमंग पीपल अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ वाटर। नेक्स्ट है उड़ीसा इज द बेस्ट एंड सूरत एंड गुजरात बेस्ट ULB। नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज ग्लोबल कमीशन ऑन द इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ वाटर। तो ग्लोबल कमीशन ऑन द इकोनॉमिक ऑफ वाटर रिलीज एन इकोनॉमिक वाटर वैल्यूएटिंग द हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल एंड ग्लोबल कॉमन गुड रिपोर्ट। नेक्स्ट है वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट ग्लोबल फ्रेमवर्क ऑन केमिकल फंड। तो ग्लोबल framework on chemical fund has launched its first project on the targeting safe and sustainable management of chemical and waste. About this setup during the fifth international conference of the chemical management 2023 in Bonn, Germany, it complements existing the financial mechanism like the global environment facility at the fund that supportive biodiversity climate action. Objective support low middle income countries including small Iceland developing state and addressing the chemical including the product and waste in line with international standard. Executive board है take a operation decision and oversees its function. Composition है two national representatives each United Nations region and representative of donors and contributor. Financial support has select for project bill receive voluntary funding 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs USD for up to 3 years. Next, other global initiative of the sustainable management of chemical waste. Strategic approach of international chemical management है, बेसिक कन्वेंशन है, स्टॉकहोम कन्वेंशन है। ई वेस्ट क्या है? तो ई वेस्ट Why news? Recently, the Global E-Waste Monitor 2024 was released. More in news, the report funded by the prepared in partnership of the United Nations Institution of Training and Research, Sustainable Cycle Program, International Telecommunication Union of Foundation of Carmenes. Key highlight of the report collecting the recycling 22.3% formally collected in recycle region-wise waste per capita generated. Finding the of India ranked third largest e-waste generator, followed by following only China and USA. About e-waste, including the electrical and electronic equipment, including the solar photovoltaic, discarded as waste without the intent of reuse, as well as reject from manufacturing, refurbishment, and repair process. Need for e-waste management and challenges associated with e-waste India informal recycling. नेक्स्ट है ई वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट इन इंडिया हैजार्ड वेस्ट अमेंडमेंट रूल है 2003 का एंड ई वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट रूल 2011 का है, ई वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट रूल 2016 का, ई मैनेजमेंट रूल 2022 का, ई मैनेजमेंट रूल सेकंड अमेंडमेंट रूल 2023 का। मेजर प्रोविजंस इंक्लूड है इसमें। इट प्रोवाइड मोर क्लियरिटी ऑफ exemption of reduction of the harmful substances determined on the conventional factor and EPR certification, generation management of refrigerant by the producer. The Waste Management Amendment Rule 2024, its major provision include relaxation of the timelines of the filing of return of report by manufacturing producer, refurbisher or recycler of the period of non exceeding 9 months. Central government can establish one or more platform for exchange of transfer mm, of EPR certificate. Exchange price of EPR certificate to be between the highest and lowest prices fixed with Central Pollutant Control Board. Technological advancement है Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and develop indigenous technology of recovery of previous metal and plastic e-waste वगैरह। बैटरी वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या है? तो न्यू environmental compensation guideline for battery waste management was issued by the Central Pollutant Control Board. Battery waste management rules 2023. About this environmental compensation, power to CPCB 2022 rule empowered the CPCB is imposed and collect the EC from the producer and entirely involve the refurbishment and recycling the waste battery in case of the non-compliance of rule. As key highlight of the guideline issued, EC is reviewed to divide into two regimes. EC Regime 1, EC will be levied for producer and non-fulfillment of metal-wise batteries and for lithium-ion and other batteries EPR target. EC regime EC will be levied and entirety and non-compliances of the BWM rule 2022 based on applicable fee. About battery management rules 2022 coverage all type of batteries, electric vehicle batteries, portable batteries, automotive batteries, and non-distilled batteries. Specify extension of producer responsible where the producer ensure the collecting, recycling, and refurbishment of the waste batteries. Next है other types of pollutant. Okay. Other types of pollutant. Plastic pollution. Plastic pollution क्या है? Status Plastic Pollution Unit and initiative taken to curb plastic pollution. Annual plastic production has doubled from 2000 to 2019. India ranked 3 globally, contributing to 5.5 million tons of single-use plastic waste. Most common types of plastic and its use: polyethylene, terephthalate, PET or PET beverage bottle, high density polyethylene डिटर्जेंट बॉटल में एंड पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड पंपिंग पाइप में होता है, लो डेंसिटी पॉलीथिलीन जो कि बबल रैप में होता है एंड पॉलीप्रोपाइलीन ये स्ट्रॉस में होता है और पॉलिस्टरीन जो होता है पीएस एंड स्टोफोम में होता है प्रोडक्ट पैकेजिंग में। केमिकल यूज इन प्लास्टिक एंड इट्स ह्यूमन इम्पैक्ट। विनाइल क्लोराइड जो होता है मोनोमर इन लिक्विड एंड वेपर फॉर्म, इंक्रीज रिस्क ऑफ लिवर एंड ब्रेन कैंसर। बेंजीन जो होता है ये काज ल्यूकेमिया एंड लिम्फोमोस एंड स्टायरिन जो होता है न्यूरोटॉक्सिक एंड पॉसिबल ह्यूमन कार्सिनोजन होता है। बिस्फेनॉल जो होता है इज ए केमिकल यूज टू मेक पॉलीकार्बोनेट प्लास्टिक होता है। Initiative taken to curb plastic pollution global है global partnership of plastic pollutant and maritime litter launched at the United Nations Conference Sustainable Development Rio +20 मतलब 2012 में इंटरनेशनल कन्वेंशन ऑफ द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ पोल्यूटेंट फ्रॉम शिप एंड बेसल कन्वेंशन है काउंटर ऑफ मेजर सेकेंड प्रोजेक्ट है यूनिट प्लास्टिक इनिशिएटिव है यूएनईए resolution of the Indo plastic pollutant है GLOLITER project between the government of Norway, IMO and FAO aiming to reduce sea-based marine plastic litter है convention of prevention of marine pollutant by dumping वेस्ट एंड अदर मैटर 1972 का है लंदन कन्वेंशन का। इंडिया है प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट रूल 2016 नोटिफाइड अंडर द एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1986। Single-use plastic ban with effect from 2022. Extend that producer responsibility. Plastic under plastic waste management rule 2016. Next है microplastic. तो by news recently researchers have found the presence of the microplastic within both canine and human tests about the microplastic. Microplastic are small plastic and pieces less than 5 millimeters long, harmed to living organism. There are two categories of microplastic: primary microplastic and teeny particle designed for commercial use such as the cosmetic, clothing, and microfibers straight from textile. Secondary microplastic are plastic that result the breakdown of the larger plastic item like water bottle. Impact है environment पर can be mistakenly consume the marine organism and it disturb whole food chain. Human health, gastrointestinal issues, endocrine disruptions, respiratory problem, allergy वगैरह है. Next है plastic overshoot day. Plastic overshoot days report was released in Earth Action. About this, it makes the point of when amount of plastic waste exceeds the world's capacity of manage it, resulting in environment pollutant. It is determined based on country of mismanaged waste index. MWI is the gap in waste management capacity and plastic consumption. MWI of the India is very high, 68.62%. Mercury pollution. Why News UNEP has launched a $134 million initiative to phase out mercury measuring device in the healthcare project. About project M, phase out mercury thermometer and sphygmomanometer at the rate of 20% of annually and reduce the mercury spillage. Next about mercury. It is a naturally occurring element found in air, water, and soil. It is only metal where it is found in liquid state in room temperature. It is persistent bioaccumulative toxic pollutant. All humans are exposed to low level of mercury. Several countries and international organizations have stabilized the reference level on daily or weekly. Methyl mercury and mercury intake that are estimated to be safe. Source है gold mining, coal based thermal power plant, volcanic emission, etc. Effect है toxic effect of nervous, digestive and immune system, lung, kidney, skin and eye. Minamata disease है chronic neurological disorder and caused methyl mercury, a heavy metal with many industrial uses. When it reach into environmental accumulative water lead sediment and will convert into toxic methyl mercury and enter food chain. Minamata Convention on Mercury क्या है? Adopted in 2013 at Kumamoto, Japan and came into the force in 2017. First globally legally binding treaty to protect human health and environment from adverse effect of mercury, named after the city in Japan and become the epicenter of the Minamata disease. Purpose है ban and new mercury mines, phase out the existing one, phase out the phase down mercury use in the product and process. India ratified in 2018. And persistent organic pollutant. One is a comprehensive global study of persistent organic pollutant was done by UN Environment Program and funded by the Global Environment Facility. Key finding there are decline in use of 12 POPs due to regulatory action taken globally since 2004. Used DDT, dichlorophenol and diphenyl trichloroacetic insecticide has decreased in human milk simple by the 70% in 2004. Next है pollutant in news. DCPA or DACTHAL. US Environmental Protection Agency banned the weed-killing pesticide dimethyl tetrachloroterephthalate, also known as the DCPA or DACTHAL. About DCPA, it is used to crop and broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and onions. And if it uses exploit could suffer from the low birth weight, impaired brain development, decreased IQ, and impaired motor skill later in life. Bisphenol A. Negotiating or binding conduct under the aegis of the UNEP address plastic pollutant including BPA used in plastic packaging. Chemical uses primary produce of the polycarbon plastic and epoxy resin. Polycarbon plastic are often used in the containers that store food beverage. Next है per and polyfluoroalkyl substances. New research suggests that the exposure of PFAS may impair kidney function through disruption in gut microbiota. Next term in the news, soil acidification. As per study, acidification may strip Indian soil of 3.3 billion ton of essential carbon. About soil acidification, it is process by which soil pH decreased over time. Factor accelerating soil acidification, leaching of nitrogen, release the ammonium-based fertilizer, organic residues, and decomposition of release organic acid root during the active growth stage release CO2 and soil resulting in the formation of carbonic acid. Impact of soil acidification, loss of soil inorganic carbon, loss of microbes, increase the ammonium toxicity, rise in pathogenic fungi, decrease the nutrient available etc. मैनेजिंग एसिड है, लाइमिंग है, ये सब है. बायो कवर क्या है? It is recent study proposed the sustainable approach of microbial methane oxidation system to control the fugitive methane emission from old dump site. About biocover, porous material layer and directly on top of landfill, which is the covered by oxidizing layer of mature compost. It provides optimal condition of the methanotrophic bacteria to thrive and act as biofilter. Crossover effect. Next है the Arctic plastic crisis, toxic threat, health, human right, and indigenous land. From the petrochemical industry report talked about grasshopper effect. Report released by Alaska Community Action on Toxic and the International Pollutant Elimination Network. IPN is the global network aiming to build a global movement for a toxic-free future. About grasshopper effect, plastic and toxic chemical for the world deposit and accumulate in the Arctic and making the Arctic hemispheric sink. Aquatic deoxygenation and the planetary boundaries. Recently, experts called the recognition and aquatic deoxygenation as new planetary boundary. It is overall decline in the oxygen content of ocean and coastal water. And next, a region of undercovering AD, global warming caused by the greenhouse gas of oxygen in water. Water surface layer in ocean prevent oxygen from mixing deeper into ocean. Eutrophication, nutrient over enrichment of anthropogenic source. Impact of ecosystem occurrence of dead zone. Planetary boundaries. Planetary boundaries are framework of describe limit to impact of human activities on the Earth system. Beyond these limits, environment may not be able to self regulate anymore. Next है carbonate compensation depth. Next research indicate that the carbonate compensation depth is expanding. ये है carbonate expansion. ठीक है. About this, it is defined as the water depth in which rate of supply of calcium carbonate from the surface is equal to the rate of dissolution. It is deep ocean carbonate participation of bottom sediment as the supplied by dye of the surface planktons and that secrete the calcium carbonate test of cell. Next है hydrogel. Indian Institute of Science has designed novel hydrogen to remove the microplastic from water. About hydrogel, hydrogel has the unique intertwined polymer network that can bind the microplastic and degrade them using the ultraviolet light irradiation. It consists three different polymer layers: chitosan, polyvinyl alcohol, and polynylene. Next है bioplastic. Some small holder farmer of the Nagaland are replacing the plastics with compostable bioplastic bags made from cassava starch. Bioplastic, they are bio-based on polymers produced from renewable resources including carbohydrates, vegetable oil, etc. in the presence of microorganisms. Next is steel slag. Guideline of the utilization of the processing steel slag road construction released by the Central um, Road Research Institute. About steel slag, it is solid waste generative and process of steel making. It composed of oxide of the calcium, iron, and silicon manganese. Okay? Magnesium. Key application road-based coarse material, blending material, and portable cement and fertilizer soil. ये सब है. Aerobiology advancement. New technology have enabled real-time bioaerosol monitoring. Aerobiology is the study of the movement of impact of air-borne biological particles as the bioaerosol on the human, animal, and plant health. Bioaerosol include bacteria, fungi, spores, pollen grain, and virus. Next है gas flaring. The Global Gas Flaring Trackers report has been released in the World Bank. Global gas flaring in 2023 has increased 7% from 2022, leading to rise 23 million tons of CO2 emissions. Major contributor है रसिया, ईरान, इराक, यूएसए. About gas flaring is referred to burning the natural gas associated with oil extraction. Next है light pollutant. Night-time light pollutant is linked to increase Alzheimer's risk. And about light pollution, excessive inappropriate use of the outdoor artificial light. It was advisory affect our ability to absorb stars and other celestial objects, human health or wildlife behavior. The study of noted nighttime light pollutant disrupt natural circadian rhythms and hamper sleep, making individual more susceptible to Alzheimer's disease. Next है bio-bitumen, and Union Transport Minister inaugurated India's first national highway made with bio-bitumen in Nagpur, Mansar Bypass and National Highway 44. About bitumens, it is a petroleum-free alternative bitumens manufactured from the organic element. Bitumen is a black sustainable derived from the distillation and crude oil. Known as adhesive properties, it is mainly used in the road paving and waterproofing application. मिसलेनियस में देख लेते हैं क्या क्या है. तो इसमें है वाइट कैटेगरी इंडस्ट्रीज. माय न्यूज. White category sector will not require prior permission for the State Pollution Control Board, established and operate under the Air Act 1981, Water Act 1974. More on the news. The permission, officially known as the consent of stabilize and the consent of operate a granted regulated industries that discharge influence of the emit pollutant and environment. White categories industries have to inform SPCB through self-declaration. White category sector, those industries which are practically non-polluting categorized under the white categories by the Central Pollutant Control Board. Wind and solar power project assembly, air cooler, bicycle and assembly etc. Categories under industrial sector based on pollutant index score. White category sector with minimum or no pollutant impact. Example, wind and solar power plant. Red category industrial sector, high pollutant impact. And next है green category sector, low moderating pollutant impact है rice and flour mills में. Orange category है sector with moderate high pollutant impact on food and processing industry. Emission from the rocket and satellite launch. In 15 years, the rocket launched per year has nearly tripled, and satellite orbiting the planet has increased 10 times. Atmosphere impact of rocket launch. Alumina and black carbon and soot absorb and trap the long wave radiation from Earth, thus resulting of warming and constant ozone depletion. Carbon dioxide. Each rocket launch produces singly higher level of CO2 than airplane flight. Next है annual land use and land cover atlas of India. Recently, annual land use and land cover atlas of India was released by National Remote Sensing Center. More on news, items systematically examine land utilization pattern and offer invaluable insight into evolving dynamics of environment. Key highlight of Atlas agriculture over the past 17 years, Kharif and Rabi cropland has expanded and fallow and diminished. Double triple annual cropping areas are also increased by 82 to 22%. Since 2005, shifting cultivation increased until the 2016 to 17, after which witnessed in decline. Next, Central Pollutant Control Board (PCCB) report of NGT showed that 80% of environment fund remained unutilized. More on news. Received the compensation under the Environment Protection Charge. Environment compensation है. Next है about CPCB. CP statutory body है formed of Water Prevention Act, Control Pollution Act 1974. And next है organization in news. National Green Tribunal. ये बना था स्टेट दैट गंगा रिवर इज फेसिंग फ्लड प्लेन इंक्रोचमेंट और प्रिंसिपल प्लेस ऑफ सीटिंग है न्यू दिल्ली में, अदर 4 है भोपाल, पूना, कोलकाता एंड चेन्नई. Genesis applies as the statutory under the NGT Act 2010. Composition headed by the chairperson with 10 to 20 judicial as well expert member. Guideline principle of natural justice and not bounded by the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Power है power of the civil court है so moto organization cognizance. Power of grant relief in the form of compensation and damage to affected person. Mandate है specialized judicial body equipped with expertise solely to adjust environmental cases of country. एनजीटी लेजिस्लेटिव फ्रेमवर्क है बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी एक्ट 2022 के तहत, वाटर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल पोल्यूशन 1974 का, वाटर एक्सेस एक्ट है 1977 का, फॉरेस्ट एक्ट है 1980 का, पब्लिक लाइबिलिटी इंश्योरेंस एक्ट है 1991 का, एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट है 1986 का, एयर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल पोल्यूशन एक्ट है 1981 का. Disposal application appeal within 6 months of filing of the same. Appeal its order to binding but not final. Next है benches. NGT has presence in 5 zones. North में principal bench headquartered in Delhi, Central, East, South and West. Central Ground Water Board. तो ये है हेडक्वार्टर है फरीदाबाद, हरियाणा, इंडिया. Central Ground Water Board aim to develop and disseminate technology and monitor implement national policies for management in India's groundwater resource. They established in 1970 by remaining the exploratory tube well organization under the Ministry of Agriculture. Ministry has subordinate offer under Department of Water Resource, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Groundwater assessment है maps equipers and evaluate available and quality monitoring है operate 25,000 and observer well to take groundwater level and quality regulation है develop the guideline and policies for sustainable groundwater use. Scientific studies है conduct hydrological, geological and chemical analysis. Key initiative है national aquifer mapping and management program. आर्टिफिशियल रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट है ग्राउंड वाटर रेगुलेशन समय. नेक्स्ट है ये है कमिटी फॉर एयर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट. कमीशन फॉर एयर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड इन नेशनल कैपिटल रीजन एंड एडजॉइनिंग एरिया. Statutory body established by the Commission for Air Quality Management and National Capital Region and adjoining the Act 2021 replaced by Environmental Pollution. Mandate है key factor है statutory direction of the environmental pollution at the state and government impose the penalties for non-compliance, offence punishable and imprisonment है up to 5 years of fine up 1 crore rupees. तो ठीक है, ये रहा पूरा का पूरा पोल्यूटेंट का. अब हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में करेंगे सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. तो कैसा लगा वीडियो बताइए, जरूर पसंद आता है लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तो जय हिंद, जय भारत.